Manu,
Hola, Gerardo.
how are you?
Very well.
Well, this place is awesome. It's pretty cool.
First of all, welcome to the Si Señor Art Taquería.
Thank you. So, why Mexican? Why out of all these cuisines in the world, you decided to go for Mexican?
Since day one, I was in hospitality with my brother.
Yeah.
All the inspiration, all the techniques, all the learnings coming from him.
Yeah.
Our place in Si Señor Balaclava,
Yes.
we took over this place back in 2017. Then the journey came along, Harry, as a family. Then we decided, let's have a new casa.
It is very nice.
Yeah, Hampton still finding its feet. We're having our good customers relationship here. A lot of families comes here.
Now, what do you like so much about Mexican food? Because obviously you're now all into Mexican food.
We used to have a beautiful chef, Cindy Flores.
Cindy Flores, of course.
Yes.
Every Mexican knows Cindy Flores.
So a lot of inspirations comes from as well. Then a bit of things in a technical way, we molded around, switched around,
Yeah.
so that we can make something better,
Yeah.
easier, convenient,
Yes.
but keeping the same concept and the taste the same.
Okay. You have kept the authenticity from Cindy.
Exactly.
But then you have made it more approachable to other
Exactly.
people, right? So, because you're coming now to Hampton.
Exactly.
Is your background Indian?
Yes, originally background from India.
Yeah.
You know that Indian loves cooking and Mexican loves cooking as well. Oh, the food's unique.
That's what my question was going to be. So I reckon there's a lot of similarities, but what do you think were similar?
So when it comes to the flavor, the chili, you know, the main role of chili. In Mexico, we have a chili arbol, which we use pretty much everywhere.
Yep.
It's spicy.
Yeah.
In India, same chili been used in so many curries.
Same arbol chili.
Same arbol
Is it?
chili.
Yeah,
yes.
wow.
Even my mom
Yeah?
dry it at home. You know, that brings that aroma, the flavor to the food.
That's great. Now,
Yeah.
you mentioned something very important, which is family, right? I feel like Mexican is very good for sharing, but not a lot of people do kids very well. So what do you guys do to feed the kids?
Kids quesadillas.
Yeah, right. You can't go wrong with cheese, right?
Kid says that I want taco, but I don't want any spice. Then this is the solution. A lot of option. And then we have our tempura vera flathead fish.
Yeah.
Bit of fish and chip style for the kids.
Yeah. Now, this is a tricky question, but
Yeah.
do you cook Mexican at home?
The answer is no.
Yeah.
Because most of the time been spent Hampton or in Balaclava.
Now, if somebody would come here and ask you, what's the secret to Mexican food so I can make it at home, what would you say to them?
The passion for the cooking,
Yeah.
the ingredients.
That's very important. I think you said it,
Exactly.
you know, ingredients are very important, but
Yeah. I mean,
a lot of that is here.
families comes to Balaclava here.
Yeah.
They said that I have tried making taco at home, but
Yeah.
things getting assembled nicely for the taste, I have to come back to Si Señor.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
There's a lot of variety on this menu.
Yeah.
What do you think I should try?
Okay, so we are having a fish taco
Yeah,
with a lechuga,
yeah.
deep fried fish, salsa roja, coriander, onion, and chipotle mayo.
Oh, wow.
Then slow cooked, 24 hours cooked beef brisket
Yeah,
with the cheese,
Yeah.
and by salsa roja, our
Yeah.
salsa, coriander, onion, and pico de gallo. Tacos al pastor,
yeah.
pork pineapple
Yes,
with a green tomatillo,
yes.
our salsa, coriander, onion, mushroom taco with onion, coriander, feta cheese, our salsa, green salsa.
Beautiful.
Let's try the al pastor. We hear from a lot of our Latin families that it could be very challenging to do a proper Mexican style al pastor.
It is. And you know, al pastor is the king of tacos in Mexico.
True.
The char on the pork,
Beautiful.
it's just there. And the pineapple.